G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Aussie Home Haunts. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Alright, here we got our big Pumpkin King. It was pretty cool to make, took a long time. Probably would like to have done a bit more to his body, but we did what we did. Nice little meaty skull here, spiked through a pumpkin as well. Got a stack of pumpkins with our zombie zombo and our entrance sign for when people come through. Reused the gargoyles from last year, and you'll see in the background there some cool quick sort of marquee prop type things with skulls on them. They light up pretty cool at night. Reused our creeps as well. That's another little scarecrow, quick one with some of the bones from the bag of bones. And the graveyard, we're going to be adding more to them next year because it's going to be a bit more of a feature. And Zombo's old body with a new head. We call him Bleedy Eyes. A carved pumpkin from foam, a little dead snake on the top. And there's a rotten pumpkin back there as well that you can see. Another custom rotten pumpkin. There's our Zombo. Unfortunately, he is broken. Yep, after running him multiple times, day after day, the fan gave way. One of our many scarecrows with a big giant crow on his arm. Decorated the crap out of all the fencing just so it didn't look plain. Another foam pumpkin there. And this one's getting a little bit of weathering because of what it's made of, but that was a custom bony scarecrow. And one more scarecrow there. The spiders in the tree with their dead body. And yeah, that's what we got for 2023. Okay, here we have our nighttime setup. Got the candle flicker lights running inside our Pumpkin King head. That looks pretty sick. And some LED lighting in the strip, just casting some light up. Manages to also cast over our pumpkin and skull. Got some cool purple lighting going on, lighting up our creeps and gargoyles. Probably need to add some more to that, but it'll do. And I reused my demon eye lights from last year on my dark wizard, so he has cool glowing eyes. Bit of white light lighting up our cemetery. And another flame light flickering in that pumpkin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything that you really like that I haven't done a DIY for, let me know in the comments and I'll try and do it for next year. Till then, happy haunting.